call upon the Vice-Chancellor to present the Chancellor-elect for installation.
Pro-Chancellor, the University Council has resolved to appoint Dame Jenny Harries as the Chancellor of this university. Dame Jenny Harries, I have the honour to express the gratitude of the university that you have consented to accept this office of Chancellor. It is my duty now respectfully to ask you to make a declaration that you will maintain and safeguard the duties and rights of the university.
I, Jenny Harries, hereby declare that I will duly fulfil the office of Chancellor and Head of the University, and that I will faithfully endeavour to maintain and uphold the duties, dignities and rights of the University in all things lawful and honest.
Well, this is probably the biggest privilege and honour of my life. It's an opportunity to reflect really where each of us started, myself going off to university, and then to find myself installed as the Chancellor has just been really wonderful.
I install you in your chair of office as the Chancellor of the University of Chester. I express my sincere hope and wish that you may long continue to occupy it and that the University may flourish and prosper under your guidance and direction.
Most people know me because I've come to their sitting rooms on a screen in the middle of COVID, but actually I started off doing classics when I left school. I went to do medicine and then I became a Director of Public Health, so most of my medical career and professional career has been in communities, and for me that's the important link with the work at Chester. I've tried to understand what a good Chancellor does, and so I will want to support and let others know about the great work that goes on at Chester. I'm particularly interested obviously in supporting the medical school, but I'm equally interested in areas of the business school and all the different departments. I think it's strange because I've been a visiting professor at Chester for quite a few years now, but it was only when I came in a couple of weeks before the installation that I really felt I was part of the university. It was my university, and what I hope to do in the next few weeks is really learn so much more about it so that I can share the great work with others and also find opportunities for linkage and to work with different departments and students.